ID80 is look mystery and you have no idea how to open the door, right? Yes, because this model comes with the cover design to protect the sensor. They can be accessed by the password, card, backup key, and also fingerprint. It's quite convenient and they are suitable to install on most of the safety door, fire door, and wooden door.
ID80 is come with additional safety lock and child lock to prevent your child from simply open the door. User and volume setting is behind the cover, and this model is using 4 unit AA battery only.